Hey beautiful people, today we're doing another declutter. This time we are doing highlighters and bronzers. Like I've said, I really want to bring down my collection, so I'm going to try to be a little bit more savage than I usually am. We shall see how this goes because sometimes it is hard. Okay, first up in here is the OG MAC Soft and Gentle. I already know this is going to stay in my collection. I also have these two from Pixie. I really like this one. It's a pretty like pink iridescent, like really cool shift to it. But I have pressed this down around 3 different times and it breaks every single time. I don't know if it's how soft the powder is. I use the alcohol method, but I am over it, so I'm going to get rid of this one. And this one from Vitamin C, I feel like it's very beautiful, but for more darker complexions, it leans a little too heavy, like colored on my cheeks. And it's also too highlighty, like it's too shimmery for being a blush for me. So both of these are leaving my collection. Next, we have this one from Ciate London. This is the confetti highlighter. It's a very gorgeous, like bronze one. When you use it, you can see, but I just feel like my complexion has gotten lighter and lighter, and now this looks a little too dark for me. So another one that I am going to get rid of. Next, we have this one from Illimaquier. This is made in Italy. Is it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. It reminds me a lot of the Soft and Gentle. It broke when it came in from BoxyCharm, so I did use alcohol and press it back together, but I hate the packaging on here. First of all, look how freaking bulky. This is like a whole freaking dome. Second, you have to twist it to open it. Like it's like, I feel like I always run to these kinds of highlighters because you're just like, boop, like make it easy. So this is another one that's going to go. We have Cookie and Tickle. These are staples. We'll be keeping these as well. I have Georgia, and Georgia's supposed to be a OG blush, but it's so light, and then I don't feel like it works as well for me for like a blush. It's supposed to be like a golden peach blush, and I don't know. I'm not really convinced at how this looks. Let me see if I can swatch it. I don't know. I just feel like it might be a little too shimmery. It's almost like a highlighter with like a peachy shift to it, but I don't really feel like I reach for this. I do like the name because I was born in Georgia, but we're gonna get rid of that one as well. I'm trying to be more exclusive of what I'm keeping. This one from Natasha Denona, absolutely beautiful, stunning color, beautiful formula. We'll be keeping that. My Awanka one that I just got from Glamlight, I bought, beautiful as well. This one is from Kaja Beauty. Let me see. This is pretty. It's like more of a wet kind of look, very subdued kind of gold. So I'll keep this one as well. This one from Too Faced I've kept just because I had always wanted it. But this is like one of those iridescent color. I don't really feel like I use this as much. It's very bulky. Like the packaging's literally like looks like you're going to propose to someone. So another one, I think I'm just going to go ahead and declutter. This one is very beautiful from, who is this one? From Touch and Soul. And it has like a variation of shades. So you can go like really bronzy or more highlighty. I'm not sure if I want to keep this or not. We're going to keep this here for now, and I'll make a decision by the end of the video. This is the OG Amarizi. This is absolutely beautiful. I will never get rid of this as long as it doesn't go bad. Then I have this one from Kaja. This has like a very glittery one on top, which I don't think I'll ever really use. In the middle here, we do have this beautiful like subdued glow, and then on the bottom we have like a dark kind of like gold. So these are the 3 shades in there. I don't know as well for this one. I kind of want to get rid of it, but I kind of don't. But this one I just got from She Glam recently. Really nice as well. Really like this one. Very nice, light. It's almost like a creamy, beautiful shift to it. So I will be keeping that. This one from Anastasia Beverly Hills is like a dark peach. I feel like this is really good for someone who has more deeper complexions. It just does not show up really nicely on my skin. And then it's too shimmery. It's like one of those ones that like kind of like the Georgia where it's too shimmery to be a blush, but it's not like a good shade for me. Another thing is with these loose ones, I don't really feel like I gravitate to loose highlights. I rather prefer a pressed one. So another one that's gonna go, this is the OG Laura Geller Gilded Honey. And let me see how this looks. Yeah, this is like a beautiful gold, like more like a real gold compared to the Amrezy, which is a light one. So I'm gonna keep that. This is the Fenty Metal Moon. This one, this is pretty. This is light. Let me see this one and see what this looks like. And this one is, oh, that's beautiful as well. I feel like a lot of these are very similar on the cheeks. So I do have golds. I don't know. We're going to keep these 2 on standby as well. Next, we have this one. This I got in one of those mystery boxes from Odin's Eye. It's, I don't know. It's nice, but I feel like I don't really gravitate towards using it. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter it as well. From here, we have Artist Couture. We have Summer Haze, and then we have Diamond Glow Powder. Diamond Glow Powder is very beautiful. It's kind of like those shades that I really gravitate to. A lot of times I frown from using these because they're in loose form. So I kind of just like want to let them go because I don't use them enough. And I feel like they're just dying here. I also have this one from Fenty. I want to say I kind of want to just use this inside of a body lotion and give it a glow. So I think I might do that. I think I'm going to take it out from here and then maybe use these inside of a lotion and make it into like a glowtion, like my own concoction, because yeah, I'll have to look up how to do that. But I think, this is what we're going to do with this one. It's 2 gold, so we're going to take it out of here. This, I also have the Jacqueline one. This is absolutely beautiful. This amped one, I should use it more. So we're going to keep these 2, okay? So we're going to keep that, take out the Fenty one. Over here, we have the MAC Redhead. I really love that one, so we're going to keep that one as well. I need to go through and wipe down these drawers, which I'll probably do after the video. We have the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. And, oh, that is gorgeous. This is the problem with swatching stuff. This is why you shouldn't swatch. You should just grab stuff and leave. That's very beautiful. It's a cream one. We have the one from Dominique Cosmetics. This is like a very light glow. This one, on the other hand, is like a very sticky kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like it's like a little bit harder to blend out. It's more of a thicker formula. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Let me wipe my hand. Next, we also have the Huda Beauty Nymph. And I think it's almost like a similar formula, like where it's thick like that. And I don't really care for that. So we're going to get rid of this one from Huda Beauty. This is Luna, the Nymph one. This one from Laura Geller is absolutely beautiful, especially if you don't want like a blinding highlight. This, you just put it sheerly on your temples, and it just, not your temples, like the high points of your cheeks, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So I really like this one. So we're going to keep that one. Who do we have here? This is Sleek Makeup. I feel like these are really dark for me now. Yeah, these are pretty dark for me now, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this as well. But this is really, really nice. Next we have the OG. Ooh, these are from The Balm. I don't even know if The Balm is still around, but this was like the OG highlighter everyone wanted, which is this one, the Mary Lou Manizer. This is pretty old. It's cute. I almost want to just keep it because of sentimental reasons. I'll keep it here just in case for now. And then this one from here from Hourglass, absolutely stunning formula, so we'll keep this here. This I got maybe I don't remember when I got this, but this is like an all over body highlight. The only thing is it's like that weird white to green, so I feel like you could only use this during a certain time period. As you can see there, it turns like that green. I'm gonna keep it in there just, you know, for now. And then I am gonna wipe down the whole drawer, so by the end of this will look nice and clean. I do really like this one. This is from Pop Beauty, and I feel like most of these shades are wearable on my skin. Even this one that's a little bit more of a deep one. I kind of usually mix it in with this one, and it, you know, I'm able to wear it. So we're gonna keep that. This Jacqueline palette, oh my God, I know her brand isn't around anymore, but I have to say these shades right here are some of the most stunning highlights. So I love this baked formula, so we're gonna keep that as well. This one from Revolution is like blinding highlights. This one is a little bit like a pinky one. I think I can keep this. And then the Beauty Bakery, this is the milk and honey one. This one, on the other hand, has like this pink and this peach that I don't know. I feel like I don't gravitate to these as much. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this right here. The Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. So I'm going to keep the Revolution, the Jacqueline, and these. I'll go ahead and fix this you guys will see the finished product in a little bit. Here are my liquid ones. This one from is this the one from Sheglan? No, this one I like. I want to say it's this one. This is like that new kind of like clear kind of highlight, but I don't really care for that. So this one that's clear, this one is called Glass Heart, which is a dewy one. I just don't feel like my skin likes this kind of look. I rather use a regular highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. Let me see. I don't remember what this formula was like from Milk. Okay, this is it's one of those creamy ones that isn't thick. That's something that I don't really like about the Dominique Cosmetics one or the Huda one. I like more of a thin formula, especially the older you get. This one is from Hourglass. I want to say it's another like nice one. Yeah. So these are like formulas that I really enjoy because of that, because they do you need help going back in? Okay. Oh my God, Melissa. What mess. This one is rather new from Lottie London. It's really nice as well. This one is from Galactic. It's called Glow on the Go. That's a really pretty one as well. So we'll keep that. This is from Merit. Another really beautiful one. A lot of these are really nice. Let me see. What are you? What are you? Okay, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I want to say this is a deeper gold. Yeah, this is a deeper gold. I don't really gravitate towards it too much, so we're going to get rid of this baby right here. This is in the shade Bubbly. This one from Rare Beauty, I really, really love. It's a beautiful shade. This one as well, the High Beam Classic as well. And then this one from Tartis. Let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Yeah, this is super thick as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. This is the Pro Glow in the shade Stunner. It's very beautiful, but it's that very thick formula that I don't really care for. I like more thinner, softer formulas, especially as I get older. So I think I did really well. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the drawer, reorganize, and then let you guys know the final count. And here are all the highlighters that I decluttered. I am super happy with how many I took out. I feel like now it looks way cleaner. I can really see every single highlighter that I have. Every single one has its own little spot. For the most part, they're not on top of each other, which is really nice. And I feel like I did a really good job this time around. I got rid of 16 highlighters, which is insane for me. I also took out the green, the bright green lining that these drawers had, and I really like the way it looks. Looks more cleaner. I can see everything. The green isn't as distracting, and I kept a lot of the ones that I really want to either review or dedicate more time to actually using. Let me know if you see anything here that you guys want a shorts on or a dedicated like long form review. I'm down to do either which one. I'm going to start making a list of things that people want reviews on. So I thought I was going to have enough time to do my bronzers as well, but this video is long enough, so I will do my bronzers in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.